What's up, folks? Science Morning Update. March 9th. Tight range yesterday, 71 to 403. So I was looking at that 406 number, 406, 406.10, and 40.10 was a level I was watching yesterday. So we got pretty much to there, 71. So that 68.70 was defended. As I talked about yesterday, that's still the big level. We lose that 68.70, and that opens up downside. Until that's breached, I don't see any downside. We could bounce again off that. 200 is at 39.50, so that's the next big level down. I would say that really the 60.70 level is what needs to hold before we go back down. And then 50 is obviously the 200, and then we would next level would be 39.25, and then 3900. As of now, I don't know if we see that happening. We had a rip up, okay, blow off the top up to 40.82, came back down, opened, popped, dropped. So we do have singles up to basically 40.50. So if we were to reverse and come back up, that would be something that would be definitely a target I would be watching. A lot of traffic in there, like 55 to 50 there. So that would be my upside target. Quiet range tonight, or on the overnight, 78.97. So again, we're on the low end of that, down a little lower. So I don't know. We've got unemployment number coming out in 1 minute. It is 8:29 a.m. Eastern as I'm speaking now. So that's going to hit in a second. But those are the levels I'm kind of watching right now. We'll see. I don't know if we do another consolidation day and then move Friday, or if this is a move. I really don't know. This is kind of, we're just in a weird area. I don't like it. So I kind of feel like we're just gonna kind of sideways. That's until April. April is really the next. Well, next week should determine more, but April is the next real target. So we'll kind of, maybe we just bounce. We do I'd say a wide range would be 4,800 to 3,800, but more like 3,900 to 4,200, where we just kind of go boop, 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 and just trade sideways. And I think that would kill the most people right now, because I think you're seeing a lot of outlying area interest of like, oh, we're all going to die, and oh, we're going to go to new highs, and these people are starting to take interest. But I don't know. That's just my theory. I think we just kind of rotate. I didn't load. Oh, look at that. It came out. And look at that. We're going to pop. So whatever that news was is going to pop. That means Euro's probably a little higher. Okay, let's go to SPX. So there's your day yesterday. 200 still at 90.40 on SPX. I think that's your 50-day at 92. So same scenario of that chart I just, again, we just kind of sine wave around. So I don't know I really don't know what's going to happen. Euro is still here. That 104.79 is going to be your line in the sand. We lose that level, and then we open up downside, and we probably go right back to parity or below. But they seem to be, this is kind of being defended like that ES 70 level. So if that loses, this loses, and then things will maybe change, or it's defended and this travels back up, and SPX travels back up, ES travels back up. Again, I don't know. I'm trying not to have any dog in the fight here, because I don't have a feel for anything going on right now. So that's pretty much it. Jobless claims just came out. And then at 10 a.m., another Fed speaker. Big eyes tomorrow, so these numbers are going to be important. U.S. unemployment rate, employment rate, hourly wages, that type of stuff. And then you got a federal budget at 2. So tomorrow could be the mover, and this is another consolidation day for tomorrow. I don't know. It doesn't look to be too overly exciting, since we just dropped back down Well, we are heading up. So on an opening basis, if we do open up above 4,000, that would be bullish. So we'll see. And then if we open below 90, that would be bearish. But that's kind of where, so we're back into basically the middle of that. If we open up below 80, then I think we could probably, or 78, we could probably take a shot at the lows. But it looks like they're going to ramp this up after that number. So anyway, stay safe. See profit, take it. Don't hang out in your trades. I don't know what to expect. If this is the base today, then I would expect higher today. But anything can change. The Fed speaker at 10 could turn that around. So again, I don't know. Anyway, I'll be in the room.